Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Summarizing today's price movement in and of itself, this is what we would call a gap and trap in terms of trading terminology. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're new, on Tuesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up right there, hence the gap up. And then even after the gap up, kind of some cruelty here. Price continued to run up here. Some poor souls were buying up around here. And then from that point, the price just flushed downwards. So that, created the gap and trap in and of itself. But now there's definitely a couple of key interesting areas going into Friday. Remember, markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody. But first level of support that really catches my eye, and this is definitely, I will be potentially watching this from a trading standpoint, is right there at 160. And 160, very historic level. You can see in the past it acted as resistance, and then when the price broke below it, that's where the foundational rule goes into effect. When levels of support, when resistance are broken, they tend to act as support. And then you fast forward to today, and surprise, surprise, 160 right there held as support. So that's going to be a level that a whole lot of people are watching, everybody from the longs to the shorts, wondering if that does get tested again, can it hold up, or is that going to, crack to the downside? If it does break to the downside, then while there is no such thing as a guarantee, the next key overall level of support, not until down around 157.50, which again, you go through the history of things and you can see quite a bit of a track record of the price right around this area. So from a break of, 160, not unreasonable at all to think that the price could head down to 157.50. Again, not a guarantee, but also would not be shocking to anybody if that were to happen, just because you look back here through the history of the chart and there just simply isn't any other sort of areas of support. So keep an eye on those areas from the support side of things. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at in the near term, that it's going to be that former area of support right there at 162.50. And then if 162.50 can be broken, next key level after that, right up there at 164.25. So keep your eye on those levels going forward. Like I said, at least in my opinion, those are the levels that I'll be watching very, very closely. And let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.